amigos. Bienvenidos a Animal Kingdom.
Stop it. So, whoa. We're here at Animal Kingdom today, and we're going to look at some construction.
There's
It's
a lot of surface pressure.
Surface pressure? Yeah.
We're here for some updates on what's going on with the family Madrigal, and
it's crazy how fast this thing is being built.
It's kind of wild.
Yeah.
So we'll show you right here. Let's go.
Vamos!
Vamos. Yeah. Vamos, Clint. Vamos.
I'm vamos.
Whoa! Doors, floors, drawers. I did that out of order. But look, it's a sign for construction over this.
The doors are over here.
Doors!
Doors right here.
Floors.
What's the other one?
Drawers. Drawers is the first one.
Can you tell we're hyped about this place?
I can't see any drawers. So
This is our home. We've got every generation.
And what I'm most excited about.
I'm excited about that.
I'm still bitter.
But we've also both seen that before.
What are you bitter about?
We have not seen
Dinosaurs.
this. We have not seen
Dinosaurs.
this before.
I was a little bitter because change, blah 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 blah. But this, look.
I think one of the things that shocks us the most about the construction is how fast this is going up.
I was here like a couple months ago, and there was nothing, and now there's full blown buildings.
It's the main building, the casita itself.
It's
the
huge.
show building is huge.
It's huge,
and it's almost for all purposes done. That they should be able to start installing the actual attraction soon, which it comes next year.
It comes next year, so TikTok.
Whoa, we're going on a jungle trek.
Monkeys, tigers, and dragons. Oh my.
Dragons? Dragons? There be dragons?
Dragons?
Not Beastly Kingdom dragons, unfortunately.
Dueling dragons?
No, not dueling dragons.
No, sorry. No, this is not the
expectations are up here.
This is not the Isle of Berk either, so sorry. Is that a dragon?
It's a dragon.
You took a picture?
Yeah.
What are you, a tourist or something?
Look how cute he is.
He's just chilling. Just chilling. He's like, will these people leave, please? I'm just chilling.
Sunbathing, getting warm.
Yeah. It's time for bats.
It's freaking bats.
Bats.
Last time I was here, the bats were closed.
Yes.
And Jade was so upset. She's like, I want to see the bats.
The last time I was in the bathroom,
Well, let's see if the bats are open. It's really cool when you get to be around for stuff like this, because there is a bat, and he is starting to feed. And the morning is the best time to come to this.
Yeah, they're way more active.
They're way more active. I mean, this park, period, all the animals are more active in the morning, but if you really want to see the bats active at all,
because then they're
you've got to come. You've got to come this
Yeah.
early. Look at him.
He is eating.
He's going to town.
They're so cool. We have cows.
That doesn't look like no cow.
Sorry, it's a water buffalo. We're being scientifically
Look.
accurate here. Content.
Content inception.
Again, like we said, the animals are very active in the morning. It's a beautiful morning. We can see
It's really the best time.
It is so
to come.
majestic.
It's safari too. I ride them, or at night. I've ridden the safari at night, in the morning, and in the evening. If you ride at midday,
I miss the nighttime safari.
I know.
Birds.
Bird is the word.
Is it the word?
It's the word of the
It's
day.
the word.
The word of the day is bird.
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 I love a beautiful little aviary.
And we just went through a door.
Whoa! Are there any drawers?
No, but there's a bird.
Oh!
And now I poop on you.
Those wings
Don't look up.
Hey, that's good luck.
Oh, he's just chilling.
You're like straight up emo. The haircut. Look at the haircut.
Cause tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again.
These guys got mohawks.
Oh, they're ready. They're ready to rock.
We're getting our own Rockville going here.
Disrespect your surroundings.
Look at the hair. What's up, dude?
So cool.
Look at them.
That's so fun.
They're just all chilling in the back there.
Is that even a peacock? It's a pigeon.
No, he's a pigeon. He's a Victoria Crown pigeon.
Wow.
But when people think of pretty feathers on birds, peacock is always what they come up with.
To the brain, yeah.
But I'm like, there's so much variety of birds. come in so many colors and shapes.
Yeah.
Speaking of
Pretty.
peacocks,
Also not a peacock.
No?
Nope, he's a great Argus pheasant.
And he's just like, you shall not pass.
none shall pass.
Love it. All right.
Are you doing your best impersonation?
Yes. So cool. Hi, friend. Hi,
And
friend.
this is another reason to come here in the morning.
They're
They are so more.
active
They're
and
so
out.
active.
Come to the aviary. You get Warp Tour.
Also, talk to the keepers. They know so much about all these different, because we're just like, bird. And they're like, well, actually. And we're like,
Well, there is
Yeah.
a thing you can buy. The guide.
But as you can see, nobody takes that. So
The guy
take a
tells-
few minutes
yeah.
and talk to the cast members in here.
Yeah.
Because they know their stuff.
yeah, they know.
So that's the Jungle Trek. Let's go get an ice cream sandwich.
Whoa.
We're waiting for an ice cream sandwich.
All right, we're going to have what everybody else is having, the ice cream sandwich. We're doing just one?
Yeah.
Yeah, just one.
Just one?
It is time.
It is time. I said that in a really bad
Yeah, you
Rafiki
did.
accent. That was bad.
The
Was that
carrot
your-
cake sundae was good too, though.
That was sad.
It was sad.
But there it is, cookie dough brownie ice cream sandwich. Brownie layered with vanilla ice cream, topped with chocolate chips and edible sprinkled cookie dough.
It's ice cream before 11 a.m. It's time. It is time.
It is time.
For the brownie cookie dough brookie ice cream sandwich extravaganza in my
The
mouth.
thing everybody's been talking about.
I got the hype. Holy moly. Oh, that's
No
good.
curse words this time.
Oh my god.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. I would wait in line for this again. That's so good.
So it's cookie dough,
cookie dough.
ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and then a
Right.
brownie kind of on the other
So it's
side.
like a brookie, sort of.
Yeah,
I love this.
yeah.
I go to bar so I can eat this.
Hey, save some for us now.
Yeah, my turn. Not
got
that we haven't eaten after
dirty.
each other before.
Got germs in
Not
you.
a-
I don't have
Never.
dirt. I don't have dirt. Well, I probably do have a 3-year-old.
Holy.
This is one of the
Holy
bleep.
bleep.
This is one of the better things that they've come out with lately.
This, I guess, this is the freshness. There's no, I hate to say it, chemical taste in a lot of ice cream sandwiches.
No
This,
fakeness.
there's no fakeness.
Yeah.
The vanilla
If
ice
that's a
cream
word.
is solid.
He's got kids, so he's like,
I don't care. Sure. Okay, I am a cookie dough aholic, so this is amazing.
do we all got like chocolate on our?
Yeah, we do.
I don't care right now. This is
That is so.
It is worth it.
it's worth the hype.
It was worth
It's-
the wait.
I've seen it's really rich.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
You've seen so many like people like Instagrammers coming and getting this, and I understand why now. It is
It is good.
It's worth it.
it's really good. It's $8.29 with tax comes to $8.83, and Barry's just gonna.
We're gonna house this now. I
So-
don't care how messy my face
So that's
is.
the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. It's just kidding. Yay!
Here you go, Barry.
Thanks, Dad.
Yay.
For once, we remember napkins here at ThrillGeek. No, every time I do food content, I always forget napkins.
They're so good.
It is. It's
So,
good.
so good.
Some more
I don't
clip.
say that often. You guys are about snacks.
Get the bite shots.
The bite shots.
It is
We are actually eating it.
Janine is like in the zone here. Look at her.
I feel like a toddler. Just like
She is. She's like. I looked over and she's like.
Well, we.
She's like a lion protecting her like feast right now.
So many people hype up different snacks and stuff, and
Yeah.
we're always, half the time we try them, we're just like,
Eh.
eh. This is
This
that
is worth the
hype.
hype.
This is worth the hype, yeah.
This is worth the
I
hype.
hope they do not get rid of that anytime soon. Do not mess with this.
Bring it everywhere. Just make it.
All four parks.
Make it a staple. Like,
Yes.
it's unreal how good this is.
We saw some bats.
Whoa.
We had a really good ice cream sandwich.
Whoa.
I think
Construction updates?
we saw a little bit of construction updates
Tropical
I've
for
Americas is coming.
Tropical Americas. There goes Pluto.
Pluto.
I think it was a successful day here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Fun,
Yeah.
quick little trip.
It was very fun. And it was beautiful out today. Like, we've been
I know.
getting so lucky with
Perfect
this April
weather.
weather. Like,
We're not going to get too many more days of this.
No.
Summer.
The next Animal Kingdom video you're seeing, we're just going to be like,
We're all in like bikinis.
Summer is coming.
She said bikinis.
Oh.
I was like, next time we're here,
Do you have your stockpile of bikinis at home?
Yeah.
So, anyways, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you soon.
Whoa.
Whoa.